Assalamu alaikum guys. So everybody from Kanz Huda who donated towards our emergency Syria and Turkey earthquake appeal under the guidance of Shaykh Saqib, may Allah preserve him. We just wanted to send you guys a message of thanks. May Allah bless you, may Allah bless your families, may Allah bless everything that you touch here on the Turkey and Syria border. The message from the people is this, that there's a border that divides us, but our pain is the same, our suffering is the same. And they appreciate the brothers and sisters from all around the world that have come here on the ground to help out, but also from there sent aid. It means a lot to these people, and we ask everybody to continue to make dua for them. So just to show everybody, this is one of the heaters that we're providing that doubles up as a stove as well. Not only is it cold, but people are going to need somewhere to cook the food as well. This is run by gas. We can take you inside of the depot as well, where we're starting to stack all of the aid. You can see a lot of the local brothers as well have come out, as well as our UK volunteers. And all of these already been stacked up. Now here's one interesting thing that we've had to distribute over the last week. This white cloth coffin that's used to bury our brothers and sisters that unfortunately didn't make it. This is something that we've also had to provide because it wasn't available.